Hello everyone, it is Erin Floto here, and I am here setting up my August Traveler's Notebook. If you haven't been around my channel before, this notebook is for my business. So basically anything that has to do with Erin Floto Designs when it comes to the actual shop itself, or if it has to do with content or anything to that effect, Patreon, all that kind of stuff. So I am setting up this traveler's notebook using the lemonade kit. So this was released at the beginning of July. So if you're interested, I will have a link to that kit down below. I'm using a couple different versions of this kit. I'm using the washi tape, which is from the bullet journal kit. It is page 5 of the bullet journal kit. I am using the the art from the bullet journal kit. Oh god. Okay. So I'm using the art and the headers from the bullet journal kit, and I am also using part of the journaling kit. And I also designed some stickers specifically for me so that you can see, for example, there is a Patreon header and a YouTube header. Those don't come in my kits. Those are specific to me. So I compiled a bunch of the headers and things that I needed to track the things that I need for my business, and added a few more as well. So I am logging in my finances. So to the left, I have my month at a glance. So this is where I write any shop updates for new releases. This is where I write my YouTube videos, like the ones that I have planned for August. And then on the right-hand side is my finances, so you can see my different income streams. So I typically track my website, YouTube, affiliate, Patreon, and other. And other is basically just a catch-all. For example, Instagram does a Reels bonus, so I get, I don't know, usually $100 a month to post Reels. I don't have high Reel viewership numbers, so mine only amounts to like $100, but the big influencers, yeah, they get paid a lot of money to post Reels to Instagram because Instagram is trying to not lose to TikTok. So anyways, that is all of that there. And then I also have an expenses. So this is where I log my business expenses. I have been cutting back drastically for business expenses because I am moving digitally. If this is the first you've heard about it, I am starting to release digital items in August. So the 5th of August, there is going to be a big release. So all of my sticker kits, except maybe a handful, are going to be released as digital items. So they're going to be released as the actual kit and as a bundle. So there's not going to be any, oh, you can buy this sheet, you can buy this sheet. If you're buying a kit, you're buying it as a bundle. Could I do that in the future? Yes, but for now, as I was prepping to move digitally, that's what I was capable of. So that's what I decided to do. You can see over on this left-hand side, I am doing my goals. So I have 4 goals for the month. That is batching my YouTube content. I did a terrible job in July. I am very behind, and it is July 19th when I am doing this voiceover. So basically, July is a lost cause. Unfortunately, that's just the way the cookie crumbles. Finalizing 6 kits, so 3 of the Galactic Dreams, so the Galactic Dreams bullet journal, weekly, and journaling kits, and then the mermaid theme, which is bullet journal, weekly, and journaling as well. And my patrons get a new thing this month where they can choose which kit that they want to get sent. So if you are interested in either the mermaid kit or the Galactic Dreams revamp, then definitely go check out my Patreon, patreon.com/ErinFlotoDesigns. And then on the bottom here, I have my review. So this is my social media numbers, which are just always going down. It's very sad. Oh, I didn't say my 2 other goals. I have some Patreon rewards, so that's a given. And then open digital shop, again, that will be August 5th. And then I am going to continue working to digitize everything. And then next calendar year, so 2023, starting in January, I will only be giving digital items. The only ones that get physical items are going to be my patrons. So definitely take a look out there if you are still interested in getting physical sticker kits. And you get to help decide which sticker kits get sent to you, what themes that I pick, all that kind of stuff. And this last page is my, oh, that's not my last page. The next page is my Patreon. So I have a section to write important dates. So these are when my live streams are and when I'm sending rewards. I have a full content calendar that go out to my patrons at the beginning of every month, but I am just putting the important ones here. And then I have a section for rewards so that I can mark off who gets sent what, when, all that kind of stuff. The next is my YouTube videos. So like I was saying, this is a custom header that I made for myself. And basically the reason for this list is just to keep moving items over from month to month. If I write them enough, I'm hoping that those videos will actually come to fruition, but that's not always the case. So I do keep transferring a lot of video ideas from month to month, but it's just a general place that I can add on the current month, and I don't have to keep going back and referencing another month. And then on this right-hand side is a master task list. So this one's easy. It is basically just a dumping ground for tasks that I have to complete at the end of the month. It may be patron tasks, it may be YouTube tasks, it may be shop tasks, all that kind of stuff. That is where I put my giant dumping ground for my task list. And that is pretty much it. I may add some more decoration. Yeah, I'm adding some more decoration. But basically, that is the plan moving forward. So from August until Black Friday, only sticker kits will be available digitally. And then starting in January, everything is starting to get moved over digitally. And then only patrons from there will be getting physical kits. I don't know what my plans are for 2024 yet. I am going to keep Patreon until the end of 2023, and then we're going to have to see because life has a way of catching up to you. So thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.